With the celebration of Teachers' Day, we also remember this day as the death anniversary of Saint Teresa, whose service to society, to poor and the needy remains unparalleled. We pay tribute to this legendary persona on her death anniversary and continue to be inspired by her service to mankind. We have Ritupriyo sharing his thoughts on this. Also, we have him playing his harmonica. When he plays his harmonica, it exudes harmonious melodies soothing our soul. I am sure that even today it is going to pervade the same tranquility all over us.
Namaskar. 5th September is also death anniversary of Mother Teresa. So we thought that we should offer a tribute to her also. I would like to say a few words about the relevance of her life today and why we are offering a tribute to her on the occasion of Teachers' Day. We know that India has a big problem, poverty, for a long time. And India has witnessed also so many mothers who have served her children, sometimes with food, sometimes with love, with peace, and sometimes securing their right. Sister Nivedita, the Holy Mother of Pondicherry, who was a disciple of Rishi Aurobindo Ghosh, Rani Rasmuni, the Holy Mother Sarada Devi, and many others. Mother Teresa is one mother who served the people of needy people, poor people of India for a long time. And standing in this 21st century, where one of the most crises in the world is love and respect, tolerance, which is expressed in the terrorism, we can see everywhere how this affects our life. If we look at the life of Mother Teresa, we see a life full of love, a very practical teaching. She not only utters some raw theoretical propositions about love, unity, and so on. The great thing is she lived this life. Everywhere, the speech, the quotes she delivered. So, how she appealed to human society to secure the love for each other. She says not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. She says the hunger of love is much more difficult to remove than hunger of bread. So everywhere she points out the lack of love in today's society and she appeals to us to secure that. We know how she served so many poor people, so many needy people by offering them food. And this was not that she was a very wealthy woman and just delivered some fraction of her wealth to these poor people. She got connected with these people and she served by coming down to their level. It also happened that she doesn't have any funding, she doesn't have any thing to serve people, but she is there in the ground and she is serving people, maybe begging, maybe some other means. So this way she lives a life full of love. She was offered she received Nobel Peace Prize for this, and in Nobel lecture also you can see how she appealed to us to secure love, to respect each other and so on. The relevance what I was talking about, why she is not only a social worker, social service worker, she is a teacher. She is a teacher in the sense she gives us verification that what I am saying is not a story, it's not a theoretical ideal thing. I am showing you that I am living my life in that way, and we can see the positive effects if we think in that way. So I think she deserves this tribute. The message of brotherhood, the message of tolerance, the message of love, which is probably a very strong and very important message of our ancient Eastern philosophy, which is repeated from time to time. She lives that life. She shows that such life can be lived. She shows that what are the positive effects of this life, what are the benefits of this life, how we can benefit others and how we can benefit us. It's not the benefit of others only. With this, I shall try to offer her a tribute, a musical tribute, by trying to cover the song Anando Loke Mangola Loke by Rabindranath Tagore in harmonica. And I am not a skillful, not a trained player, so pardon my mistakes. It will be full of mistakes, I swear him. And Ananda Loke Mangola Loke is more dedicated to a blissful truth, which the song is explicitly containing. Ananda Loke Mangola Loke Birajo Sotto Sundaro. So I think Mother Teresa, who continuously asked us to love this truth, I think a song dedicated to the truth will be a song dedicated to Mother Teresa. Thank you.